Hey guys, it's Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking. Guess what? I am in the car, and the reason being it's because I am going to the store over there. Look at it. Look at the store over there. That is the store where I am going to buy some fruits, like varieties of fruits, because as you know, I bought a new Ninja Deluxe blender and we surely need lots and lots of fruits, and we need to make a lot of different smoothies. So guess what? I came with something here. I want you guys to tell me if I'm crazy. Boom. I came with this Ninja Deluxe quick guide right here. This is what you get when you buy your new Ninja. It's a guide, a booklet, which you have to read what is or how to use the Ninja. It has all this, but why I came with it today, it's because it has 15 recipes here, guys. They say it has 15 irresistible recipes in here. So the reason why I came with this, and I'm going with this one in the store, and people are looking at me like, what is she talking? I'm vlogging. So we're going into that store so that I am going to use this guide to purchase or to buy my fruits, because this is how we're going to make smoothie. Let me tell you, for example, I want to go make what kind of smoothie? This one, let me show you. Give me a second. So these are the ingredients. The first smoothie that we're going to make, it's called Island Sunrise Smoothie. Hey, so when we're going to make this Island Sunrise Smoothie, there are ingredients that we need. Of course, they have ingredients and they have directions, but there are some ingredients that we need. I cannot remember all of them, so I have to come with this guide to the store right there so that I can go around as I'm picking these ingredients. The first ingredients that we're going to have is pineapple, changis. We are going to make a rice banana, coconut water, and we need a frozen mango, chungies, and we have a cup of frozen strawberry. So most of the things that I'm going to buy here, they are frozen. So that's why I came with this. And again, we're gonna make a mango protein shake. So this is one of the stores that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go different stores, but I believe this store is a little bit has a variety of fruits. That's where we are going in there, guys. Am I crazy? Comment below. Let me know I'm crazy. Am I crazy? So I'm gonna carry all this. And guys, if you have not watched my videos on how we are making smoothies, and I'm gonna post I think I posted a video of unboxing, guys. No, the video of unboxing is coming tomorrow. Make sure you watch it, okay? You see what we got. Our Ninja is massive, I'm telling you. So let's sneak in there with this and let's go buy our fruits. I hope they can allow me to record because I need to vlog, okay? Guys, let's go. We have Oh well, guys, these are some of the fruits we got yesterday from the store. This is a continuation of yesterday's video when you saw me going to the store to buy fruits. I could not record in the store because they had loud music, I'm telling you. So I was not able to record, but I was able to buy some of the fruits that I needed. Some of the fruits that they didn't have frozen fruits, which I really needed to make some of the recipes from the guide, from the Ninja guide. But don't worry, I will get them whenever I go next time to the store. I'm going to give you a tour and I'm going to get those frozen fruits, okay? But for today, this is what we got. As you can see here in this video, we got some pineapples here. Yes, and we got some cucumber. We got some apples. We had a little bit of different mangoes here. We have two kinds of mangoes. I'm going to show you another mango on the other side. These are yellow mangoes. They're so sweet as well. Of course, we have our mandolin. These are the mandolin here. We have some guavas, yes. And of course here, in here, we have some different mangoes, as you can see over there. And of course I have my pear from outside. Look at it. It's yet to ripe, but look how humongous it is, of course. We have some grapefruit here. I love this grapefruit, guys. Oh my goodness. And we got some cantaloupe is hiding in here. So all these fruits, my family loves them so much. So I'm going to use some of these fruits here to make myself a smoothie. And of course, here we go. And over here, we have our Ninja mortar. This is a mortar, and we are going to make our smoothie using this single serve cup right here. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use to make my single serve smoothie. Of course, I'm starving, guys. It's morning, it's a weekend. As you know, Umoto lifestyle, I love to wake up early in the weekend when I'm not busy, and I love to make breakfast or to cook breakfast for my family. But unfortunately, today I'm by myself. So I need to make myself a smoothie. So I'm going to welcome you guys so that we can make a smoothie quick. I am going to pick some of the fruits here. Of course, I'm going to use this. We are going to use one mango. So I'm going to put a mango. This is what I'm going to be eating. I was making a smoothie this morning. I feel like I need to use one of the cucumber here, but I'm going to use a half of the cucumber. Of course, I'm going to use, yeah, these are not lemon, but they're citric. Of course, I'm going to use a papaya. I'm going to cut one of papaya. And of course, I'm going to use some of the cantaloupe here. And I feel like I need to add some guavas. And of course, we are going to use some of the mandolins here. So let me show you how I'm going to cut them. And of course, don't forget the pineapple. Of course, don't forget our strawberry. Guys, I'm building my cup here. You can see some cucumber. We have some strawberry. We have some mangoes. We have guavas. And we have bananas. Of course, we need to have some pineapple and avocado. Oh well, guys, this is our Ninja base. Now we're going to turn it on so we can blend, okay? Turn it on. And we want our smoothie, so we have to roll back here. We don't want puree, but we want smoothie. See? It's going to be 50 seconds. So let's turn it on. Yeah, look at that. It's counting down. Look, our smoothie. Finished. Turn it off. Now we have our single serve smoothie, a mixture of fruits. Guys, I cannot wait. This is what we got. That is my single serving smoothie. Let me open it. Look at it. Look how smoothie it is. So we're going to put our lid so we can drink from our lid. Let's close it. Whoa. Close it. And there's a straw. Let's enjoy. Oh well, guys, let me know what you think of this Ninja. Of course, I wanted the red one. You know, my kitchen theme is red. But I had the black ones. I thank God for that. But I don't know. I'm thinking of changing to get the red ones, but I'll let you know. It's only about the color, but the Ninja is perfect. So let's enjoy my breakfast. And guys, if you have not subscribed to Umoto Lifestyle, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you know the next time I'm posting another video from my kitchen. Let me enjoy my smoothie, guys. I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye-bye.